Once upon a time, Queen Elsa traveled far from Arendelle to visit Snow White's kingdom. She was excited to see the beautiful land and meet Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. But when Elsa arrived, something was very wrong. The enchanted forest, which was always full of green trees and singing birds, was turning to ice. The rivers were frozen, the flowers were covered in frost, and even the animals were shivering. Snow White looked very worried. Elsa, I don't know what's happening, Snow White said. It's getting colder every day. If this continues, my kingdom will be frozen forever. Elsa touched the frozen trees. This isn't my magic, she said. Something else is causing this. We must find out what it is before it's too late. The Seven Dwarfs arrived, their noses red from the cold. We've been looking for clues, said Document, and we found something strange in the forest. Follow us, said Grumpy. It's getting worse by the minute. Elsa, Snow White, and the dwarfs hurried through the icy forest. After walking for a while, they found something shocking, a pile of frozen apples. They sparkled like ice and let out a cold mist. These are not normal apples, said Elsa. She picked one up carefully. They are filled with some kind of freezing magic. But where did they come from? Asked Bashful. Just then, a gust of wind blew through the trees, and a cackling laugh echoed around them. From the shadows stepped the evil queen. She wore a dark cloak, and her eyes shone with mischief. You thought you defeated me, didn't you, Snow White? The queen sneered. But I have returned with a new spell. These frozen apples will turn your kingdom into ice. You won't get away with this, Snow White said bravely. Elsa stepped forward. Your magic is powerful, but together, we are stronger. The evil queen laughed and threw a frozen apple at Elsa. But Elsa used her own ice magic to catch it in the air and melt it. Snow White quickly grabbed an apple and tossed it to Elsa, who melted it with her touch. The Seven Dwarfs worked together to gather all the apples and pile them up. The evil queen gasped. No, my magic! Elsa lifted her hands, and a warm breeze spread through the forest, melting all the frozen apples. The trees became green again, the rivers flowed, and the birds started singing. No, this can't be, the evil queen cried. With a final scream, she vanished into the shadows, never to be seen again. Snow White turned to Elsa. You saved my kingdom. Thank you, Elsa. Elsa smiled. We did it together. The Seven Dwarfs cheered. Hooray for Elsa and Snow White. That night, the whole kingdom celebrated. There was music, dancing, and a grand feast. Snow White and Elsa laughed and enjoyed the evening, knowing that their friendship had saved the day. And so, the enchanted forest was safe again, and the two queens became the best of friends.